Hey there. So today we're going to be answering this problem. So directions for pancake mix say that one large scoop of mix makes 12 circular pancakes, each with a diameter of 4 inches. Samantha plans to make the pancakes in the circular pan with a diameter of 6 inches. How many whole pancakes can she make, each with a diameter of 6 inches? So this is a perfect example of a question where if you can think in pictures, it will really help you out. So let's go with blue for today. Okay, so let's think. One scoop will make 12 pancakes of 4 inches. So that'll give us like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we'll have 12 pancakes of 4 inches. All right. So the key to answering this question is it's an area question. So if we can find the surface area of these 12 pancakes and then figure out how many of the 6-inch diameter pancakes can go into that, then that will give us our answer. So here we know that the area of a circle is pi r squared, but here we're working in terms of diameter. So we need to make a substitution. So pi, radius is the diameter divided by 2. So we can do that. Then this will give us pi d squared over 2 squared, which is pi over 4 d squared. So using this, we can find the area of, or the total area using for one pancake, and then we can multiply that by 12 to get the area of all the pancakes. So the area for one pancake of 4 inches in diameter is going to be equal to pi over 4 times 4 squared. Well, one of the 4's will cancel out, and we'll be left with 4 pi. So that's the area. So this is the area of one pancake. So the area of 12 pancakes is equal to 12 times the area of one pancake of 4 inches in diameter. So it's going to be equal to 12 times 4 pi, which is going to be equal to 48 pi. Alrighty, so we got that. Now, let's check the area of a pancake with 6 inches in diameter. So the area of 6 inches is going to be, again, pi d squared over 4. So if we put 6 in there, we'll get 6 squared over 4. This is pi times 36 over 4. That's going to be 9 pi. So we want to figure out how many of these pancakes can go into the total area of pancake mix that we have to work with. The way we can do that is we can take, in words, we can say total area that the pancake mix covers, and divide that area of 1 6-inch diameter pancake, and that will tell us how many pancakes we can make. So the total area we have to work with is 48 pi, and the area of one pancake, 6-inch pancake, is 9 pi. So the pi's cancel out, and 9 goes into 48 5 times, and we're left with 3 left over. But the question asks, how many whole pancakes can she make? So the answer to this one is we can make 5 whole pancakes of 6 inches in diameter. And that is how you answer the question.